rural poverty is complicated.
This is the second round of the rural project. This is a totally different programme, so please have a look at that and see what the differences are. We've taken on board all the comments that were made during the previous round and put them into the way that this new programme is being introduced.
What other agencies, what other groups are working within the community already? Because it's not about duplication, it's about those in the area, whether they be county council, social services, other third sector. It's about value for money. And rural poverty isn't just about financial poverty. We do a lot of work with people, helping them to access benefits that they're entitled to but not claiming, reducing debt, poverty of service. So for example, our nearest hospital is some 18 miles away, and rural transport isn't as prolific as one might want it to be. We spoke to our local medical centre staff, and they told us about the problems they have trying to fit everybody's appointments in around the time the bus arrives and before the bus that only runs once a day leaves again. The introduction of the car enables people to have wider choice of appointments and eases the peaks and troughs on our local medical practice as well. We're also developing our dial-a-ride service and our Meals on Wheels delivery service as well. Our hydro generates electricity and is now ready for local people to be able to take electricity straight from that hydro.
Some of the activities that we do here are lunch clubs, we do Welsh lessons, we do employment support. So for people that are looking for employment but need a little bit of support to go and do a CV or interview techniques, we do.
Our consultation showed that some people were eating less than 2 hot meals a week. Our weekly shopping trip picks you up at the door, takes you to the shops, puts your shopping on board, brings you home, takes you back to the doorstep, and the driver will even help you take the shopping inside. That's working very, very well. That is actually now oversubscribed, and we're looking to have to put a second trip on. So we're looking at creating a social environment where people can come together, meet their neighbours and friends, and enjoy a healthy, nutritional meal at the same time. Our community luncheon club is up and running. We regularly have about 40 people registered, but depending on their appointments and so on, we normally have about 30 that sit down to lunch every Tuesday, and then after that we have social activities.
People get from being involved in this project that they feel more part of the community. It reduces the rural isolation, they make new friends, new connections, and they actually get to do a lot of different activities